Tired of Facebook and want to delete your account? We'll help you out. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete or temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. Now let's get started. To begin, go to Facebook in your browser and log in. Click the downwards arrow in the top right corner, then select Settings. On the left, click Your Facebook Information. Beside Deactivation and Deletion, click View. Now choose whether you want to deactivate your account and only leave Facebook temporarily, or permanently delete account if you're sure you want to erase your entire profile for good. Click the Continue button. At this point, you can download your profile data if you wish. Click Download Info if you'd like a copy of all your photos and other data. Then click Delete Account. To authorize your account deletion, enter your password. Click Continue. To confirm, click Delete Account. After initiating permanent account deletion, you can cancel the deletion within 30 days. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. To cancel the deletion, simply log into your account within 30 days and click Cancel Deletion. If you temporarily deactivate your account, simply log into Facebook again to reactivate it. That's everything you need to know to deactivate or delete your Facebook account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.